Isn't it amazing how even after years of sleeping, we still don't know why we do it? Scientists have come up with plenty of theories to explain dreaming, but none of them seems to fit all the facts. So here are 5 theories that might change your view on sleep forever. 1. The threat simulation theory. You wake up in the middle of the night and can't go back to sleep. You start thinking about all the things that could go wrong in your life, and suddenly you wide awake. It turns out this isn't unique to you. In fact, some scientists believe that our brains subconsciously use the time we spend awake during the night to simulate threats we might face in the near future. In other words, our brains try to prepare us for potential dangers by putting us in a kind of mental timeout. It's like a dress rehearsal for the brain. And just as an actor needs to practice their lines before a big performance, our brain needs to rehearse what to do if certain threats appear. If this theory is correct, dreams would serve as a sort of mental exercise that helps us to stay sharp and be better prepared for whatever life throws at us. So next time you find yourself lying awake at night, try not to worry. Your brain might just be putting on a show. 2. The memory consolidation theory. You've just finished a really intense week of studying for exams, and now it's finally time for a good night's sleep. As you drift off to dreamland, your brain starts to work on the week's worth of material, filing it away into your long-term memory. This isn't just a theory, it's science. Studies have shown that sleep deprivation can significantly impair memory, both in terms of the amount of information that can be remembered and the ability to recall it accurately. On the other hand, getting a good night's sleep can lead to improved memory performance. So if you want to remember everything you study, make sure you get enough sleep. After all, a well-rested brain is a sharp brain. 3. The energy conservation theory. Have you ever noticed how much more tired you are when it's cold outside? You might think it's just because you're wearing more clothes and have less freedom of movement. But there could be something else going on. Some scientists believe that the reason we get tired when it's cold is because our bodies need more energy to maintain our body temperature. When this happens, we start shivering, which uses up our energy reserves and makes us feel exhausted.
Ow.
Picture this on a larger scale. If we apply this theory to sleeping animals, we can hypothesize that those who sleep during the day conserve energy and avoid the high temperatures of the day, while those who are active during the day sleep at night to avoid the cold. So according to this theory, the primary purpose of sleep is to conserve energy and regulate body temperature. And the next time you feel like you're wasting your life away sleeping, just remember that it's not just laziness, it's survival. 4. The brain plasticity theory. Have you ever wondered how your brain adapts to new experiences? Picture this. You're learning a new language, and each time you practice, your brain forms new connections between neurons. These new connections help you remember words and phrases more easily, making your brain more flexible and efficient. But did you know that sleep plays a crucial role in this process? A study conducted in 2002 found that sleep deprivation can lead to a significant decrease in brain plasticity, which can have serious consequences for our cognitive abilities. On the other hand, getting a good night's sleep can enhance brain plasticity, making it easier for us to learn new things and adapt to our environment. So if you want to keep your brain sharp, don't forget to catch those Z's. 5. The neuroprotective theory. Sleep is often seen as a passive state, but it turns out that our brains are hard at work even when we're fast asleep. One of the things our brains do during sleep is protect us from neurotoxins. Neurotoxins are substances that can damage or destroy neurons, and they can come from a variety of sources, including exposure to heavy metals, pesticides, and even our own immune system. But our brains have developed some clever ways to defend against these harmful substances. During sleep, our brains increase the production of a protein called HFP70, which has the ability to bind to neurotoxins and prevent them from causing damage. Not only that, but sleep also helps to clear out misfolded proteins from our brains. These proteins are produced when our cells are under stress, and they can build up over time, leading to the development of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. But during sleep, our brains boost the activity of specialized cells called glia, which can recognize and clear away these misfolded proteins. So instead of being a time of rest, sleep is actually a time when our brains are working hard to keep us healthy and protect us from harm.
Ow.
In the end, all these theories might be right. Our brains are incredibly complex, and there's still so much we don't understand about them. What we do know is that sleep is essential for our survival. It's a basic need just like food and water, and getting enough sleep can help us live longer, healthier lives. So the next time you feel like you're wasting your life away sleeping, remember that it's not just a waste of time. It's an investment in your health and well-being.